Welcome everyone. So today we are going to solve a very nice series problem which says 2, then we have 4, then 4 which is followed by 3, which is followed by 9, then we have 4, then this is a question mark, then we have 5 and then we have 29. So a lot of people thought that all of these are what? This is basically 2 square and this is 3 square, right? So technically this should also be 4 square. But that doesn't work because this doesn't follow the same pattern of 5 square. So here, had the number been 25, then this entire logic would have made sense. But since that is not making sense over here, so that means this logic is not going to be working for this particular question. So when you have something like this, let's talk about differences. We have difference between 2 and 4 is 2. 3 and 9 is 6. Here the difference is 1. Okay. And here the difference is 5. Okay. So now here the difference is 14. So technically here also there should be some difference. Now please understand. Here what are we looking at? See the numbers over here at this bottom line. At the bottom line over here 2, 6, 14 means you are skipping. Can I say I'm skipping one even number which is 4? So technically between this and this the next even number should have been 8, but now since I'm skipping that one consecutive even number, so that will get skipped and the next number should have been 10. And if that is the case, then yes, the next number which comes out to be 12 and gets skipped. Okay, so this makes a lot of sense, right? So 4 plus 10 gets you what? 14 as the answer. Okay, and here the next number comes out to be 9. Okay, so difference is of 4 in the upper series. So I hope you've understood how to solve these kind of questions. Yes, it looks very tempting and you won't believe 16 was definitely one of the options, but that lot of people thought that that was the answer, but they got it incorrect. Okay, so the answer for this question has to be 14. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.